Hey guys, welcome back. I am Casey and I'm a personal wardrobe stylist, and I just love sharing with you styling tips and tricks. And today is a fun one. If you can see, I am wearing long sleeves. I am going on day 3, which means clearly fall is here. It's supposed to be 90 next week, but I'm living in the moment and I'm just embracing it. Fall is here and we're gonna talk fall fashion and some fall trends that we've been seeing. More specifically, one trend that we have been seeing run wild on the runways is animal print. We've seen it in Thom Browne, Chanel, Kenzo, but here's the thing. This is not your classic leopard print that we are seeing. The entire animal kingdom is showing up. Snakeskin, tiger, antelope, zebra, like they are all here to party. So today I'm gonna share with you a couple trends that we're seeing when it comes to wearing animal prints, as well as a couple tips to incorporate that into your wardrobe. Let's get into it. One trend that I've been seeing is this fusion between animal prints and modern abstract art. It was all over the Kenzo runway. And here I have an example of it in this Anthropologie dress, which is adorable. I can't really place what the print is. I don't know if it's giraffe or some big cat, but what you can really see here is that watercolor pattern. And that watercolor is just bringing a lot of depth to the dress and just making it really unique from other typical animal prints. Another trend that we are seeing everywhere, literally everywhere, is this animal print spilling over into all of the categories. We are not just limited to leopard print shoes or a cute little leopard print scarf. You've got it in business attire, in home decor, and one really hot spot right now is activewear. Here we have this really cute matching 2-piece set from Target. You've got your sports bra and your leggings, and they're just really cute and they're really on trend and they're really affordable. But one thing that I love here and that I suggest when you are bringing in animal print is to keep the colors kind of neutral and classic. You've got this really fun snake print that's trendy, but because it's in a more neutral and dark navy, you're gonna get a lot more use out of it because it's just more classic. So one print that we're seeing a lot of is tiger print and a lot of other really bold, bright prints. Now I have this cardigan. I think it's super cute. It's from Nordstrom. I love the pattern and I love the color, but it's loud, right? It's kind of loud. So my tip here is when you are wearing a bold pattern like this tiger print or something else, to do only one pattern per outfit. So in this case, I'm gonna keep everything else dark or muted and just let the tiger speak. A little bit of animal print is chic and is sexy, but too much is overkill. So when you are wearing bold patterns like that, keep it to one animal print per outfit. Now, another way to make your animal print look elegant and classic is to make sure that you're sticking to clean, classic lines and silhouettes. So for example, I am wearing this snakeskin blouse. It is a fun, trendy snakeskin pattern, but because it is just your classic buttoned up silk blouse, it's gonna look elegant and you can actually dress it up and wear it to work or somewhere more dressy. You also wanna be sure to stay away from any animal prints that are a little too sparkly or too juvenile looking. I think the theme here is just to keep it really classy, especially if you are older. If you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, I say 40 like it's older, you guys, I'm very close to that. So if you are more mature, those classic silhouettes are gonna be really important to having your outfit still look elegant. If you are new to animal prints, I know that it can be a little daunting on how to mix and match them and make a complete outfit. My biggest advice to you is to pair your animal prints with a solid color. Don't think too much about it. Don't try to mix patterns, that can get a little tricky. Just stick to a solid color. So here I have this kind of brownish, warm snakeskin skirt. I have chosen a warm cream sweater to go with it. It's really basic, but it looks really chic. And if you don't know what color to wear, then just take a color out of the animal print and use that on top or bottom. Wherever you need that solid color, mimic the skirt's colors in that top or bottom. The 5th tip, or 6th, what tip are we on, guys? I don't know. But it is to pair your animal print with leather. If you wanna look a little sexy, a little edgy, then pair your animal print with leather. Here I have a leather jacket. You could do leather boots. You could just like bring that leather in. Leather and animal print is like milk and cookies. It is this classic combination that never gets old, it never fades. It's just like really, really good. And it's also a really good way to transition your animal prints into the fall, to make it a little bit more weather appropriate. Now, if this is all just seeming like too much for you, you don't want to bring an animal print, or you're still a little too scared, then you guys, accessories is the cheapest and easiest way to bring this trend into your wardrobe. I have this fawn print bag from Madewell. It's adorable. They also have this print in shoes, just FYI, but it's just cute, and you could pair this with a neutral outfit and look very on trend without trying too hard, without figuring out how to mix and match pieces. Accessories are really good. Another accessory that's really easy to bring into your wardrobe without thinking too much is shoes. Especially if you're working with a neutral shoe like these snakeskin prints. It's gonna act as almost a pseudo-neutral. You're gonna find that you can wear it with pretty much anything in your wardrobe, and you're gonna be on trend. And it's also very classic. I have had snakeskin print shoes in my wardrobe for years. I have been recommending them to clients for years just because they are so classic, and it's a fun way to bring in a pattern and a texture to just an otherwise pretty neutral outfit. These last three accessories are all from Amazon. They are all under $15 and a really great way to bring this trend in. So the first I have is this leather belt. Yes, it's real leather, and it's $10. Look at this cute cheetah print. When I'm wearing a cheetah print belt, which I do often, the really easy way is to just wear it with ivory or black. It's gonna go with both, it's gonna look great, and just, you know, bring that trend in, which we're looking to do. I have this leopard bracelet. It was $7.99. There's like a bajillion options on Amazon. Once again, a really easy way to bring the trend in. And then I have a scarf. You guys, scarves are the best. Look how cute this is. I love the colors. It was, how much are you? $14.50. And this is actually really warm. This is a really quality scarf here. Cute. Once again, wear it with more neutral colors if you're a little confused on how to bring it in. In the end, animal print is fun. Don't take it too seriously. If you're hung up on it, just remember to keep it classy and to keep it neutral. And if you don't know what color to pair, go with black. It's always classic, it always looks good, and then throw on a leather jacket because milk and cookies. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. I will link everything down below in the description that I shared. They're all really good pieces, really good finds. I will also add a couple extra things that you may not have seen today. But thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.